How do you feel now that the album is out?
I feel rejuvenated, kind of, because after working on it so long, it's so much work. A lot of people, they're used to just seeing the outcome of work. They never see the side of the work you go through to produce the outcome. And I feel, rejuvenated and happy. It's a jubilation, really, is what it is. It's like a celebration. It's like, we're done.
Hey yo, I gave niggas classic after classic in this rap shit. AP like a legend of the yesteryears. AP work like it's Pop Joe Jackson, a god known for precision and a swift reaction. I study the god, but I don't idolize. I understand the industry is full of lies. Betrayal can only come from a friend or a loved one. I thought we was rocking out to the end, but all I really got is mine, and all I really need is mine. All day just P came creeping up the block, knocking Thriller. Get stomped out in penny loafers for the Skrilla. Real smooth criminal, pellets crack pillars. When the Tommy gun licking in the club, you can hear it. Matter of fact, you can feel it. The Hennessy jug, you pass the goblet and I feel it. Pia gargoyle, 10 toes in the soil. When the guard come with the backdraft, you'll boil. And all I really need is mine. All I really do is this. You niggas don't make better than no overlord. Word.
It's cool till you start saying the words. That's when it sounds crazy. You see me in the club with a bottle full of bub. Michael, no. Don't sing the word, Chris. I love that song, Chris. I love that beat. I love it, Chris. That is a cold-blooded beat. I love it.